Hello guys, so someone commented the problem. This is most likely lalabas sa UPCAT. So I would like to answer this kasi this is somehow tricky at the same time. Some of the students ay nalilito kapag ganito yung tanong. I will show you the step-by-step solution later on. So we could see here that the car travels from town A to town B at an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour. On the way back, it travels the same distance at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. We need to find the average speed. So there are two solutions for us to get this. Una ay yung pagkuha ng average speed since same distance lang naman ng town A to town B and vice versa. Then ito naman, manual natin kukunin. Umpisa muna natin dito sa average speed. So formula nito ay 2AB over A plus B. Let's say yung A, ito yung 90 kilometers. Then ito yung B nila. Let's take this as 2 multiplied by 90 and 60 as well. Over 90 plus 60. Mumultiply natin ng numerator. 2 times 90 is equal to 180. Then 180 times 60 is equal to, very good, 10,800. So let's break down 10,800 over 90 plus 60, 150. 10,800 divided by 150. Very good. That is 72 kilometers per hour. Ayan na po yung sagot. So, there is another way to solve the problem. Sabi ko nga kanina, manually. So, we need to select a number para mas mabilis. Kunin lang natin yung mas malaki, which is the 90. So, itong 90, i-divide natin sa dalawang binigay na term. Specifically, 90 divided by 90 and 90 divided by 60. So, this will be equal to 1 and this will be equal to 3 over 2. Since dalawang beses nagbiyahe yung car, add natin tong dalawa as well ito. So this will be equal to 180. Then 1 plus 3 over 2, that will be equal to 5 over 2. At ngayon, i-divide natin yung 180 sa 5 over 2. Then i-reciprocate lang natin yung fraction para ma-multiply na lang natin. So, 180 times 2, that will be equal to 360 over 5. 360 divided by 5, that will be equal to 72 kilometers per hour. That is the answer. So, yun lamang po. Thank you guys for watching.
Bernardo starts in flash or red, cup flying high, quick hands, no dread. 7 years he stacks with might since he was 8, he's in the fight.